Okay, so this video is going to show you how you mark out for a simple three-fingered finger joint. First of all, the important thing is your pieces of wood, whatever sort they are, just make sure that they are the same thickness, same width, especially when you're starting out, makes it an awful lot easier. Okay, best you can, try to avoid pieces of wood, well, not so much the piece of wood if it's got a knot in it, but if this knot was right at the end, because the knots are very hard. It's where a branch used to be on the tree, and it's very, very hard. So try to avoid any knots which might be up at the end. Now, tools you'll need for this. You'll need a steel rule. You will need a tri-square. Now, important that you've got both of these tools. If you're using just a ruler, not what you need, because that's only good for measuring. Okay, you need a nice sharp pencil. Okay, if it's not sharp, it's no good. It's no good to you at all. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to measure how thick the wood is. Okay, now this is 15mm thick. You always need to measure that. You can't ever guess it. Last time you might have been using a piece of wood that's a different thickness. And the first mark we need to put on there is 15mm. So make sure this is level with the end. I'm just going to put a mark on there which is 15. Now, next thing we need to do is use the tri-square. Now, tri-square, this piece here, this brass, must be touching the wood all the way up. I do occasionally see people using them like this. As you can see, it's wobbly. It's not going to be a right angle. It's no good to you. So make sure that your tri-square is always pulled right up, so there's no gap down there. And just slide the tri-square down to your mark and then run a line across it. And we're going to run the line all the way around. Sometimes it helps to put just a tiny little starter there, all the way around. Okay, now to check if you've got a good line, it is to basically have a look, does that line continuous all the way around? There's no major steps between the two marks that you've got. Okay, now you need to do that to both pieces of wood that you've got.